Where we charge our Nanobox EV, where we put the outlet for the
First, you have to this one, put it inside, sak ana, and then you have to power up with this thing. Ito yung pakapin, the free charger. Installed from a breaker, separate breaker.
Nasa dedicated breaker.
Yeah.
So, ang socket pila ka amperes ang required daw gani?
It's 32. They said that it's 32 amps. And then put it like that. The charger will pop up light. The blue is for the charging. Charging light.
Blue is
Fault is the yellow. Connection is the green, and then the red one is the power.
Okay, so that's it. That's where we charge our EV. Normally we charge at night, and if daytime naman, hindi siya dapat nakabilad sa init because it will not charge under the heat of the sun. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you.